We're here at the mall in Ontario. This is called Ontario Mills, and this is Rainforest Cafe that we found here. And this place is really cool. Has so many cool features to it. It's like a little theme park restaurant. So let's go check it out, shall we? And we came across the gator pit. Ah! Watch out for those gators. This place is really cool. They have their own gift shop. They got all kinds of cool features that come to this place. So let's have some fun, shall we?
You like veggie toys?
Walking through the gift shop, there's so many cool things for the young kids and families, merchandise and everything you need. So let's go into the restaurant and let's sit down and let's have some lunch today. We're doing pretty good.
Take all the big beer you got. Let's start with the drink.
They have gorillas, elephants, zebras. This place rocks. Very cool, very fun. Families, I can see why this place is packed all the time. If you guys have a chance to come to Ontario Mills, come check out Rainforest Cafe. Highly recommended, so much fun. There's even big thunder and lightning storms that go on while you're eating lunch. The food's good, the atmosphere's fun for the family. Man, this place is really, really cool. Let's check out the menu, shall we? I ended up with one of just the appetizers to try out with our family. And then we had some Python Alfredo that was pretty good. The family enjoyed as well. They got burgers, soups, salads. They have a seafood and their story. This is a very amazing place. You can see the elephants. Just so many cool things.